Well, in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can edit your blog page. This is a single blog page. This is a single post where you'll be able to find a featured image on the top. Then we have the title of the blog page. Then the author who has posted it and the date. Below that, you'll be able to find a description part where you will need to add your blog. And at the last, you'll be able to find a reply option. People will be able to comment and reply to your post. On the right hand side, you'll be able to find widgets like recent post, agent, meta, archives, category, featured properties, and more. To edit the right side of the blog page, we'll need to go to widgets. To go to widgets, you can click on your widgets and you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to find default sidebar. Default sidebar is a sidebar for your news or post, which is this sidebar page. So the first sidebar is the search, then recent post, then agent, and featured properties. The search, recent post, agents, and featured properties. If you want to add more sidebars, you can add from the left hand side. For example, if you want to show categories, select it and add to the default sidebar. Now the categories has been added. If you want to add meta, simply select it and add to widgets. If you want to change the categories to post categories or change meta logins or meta my account, and then simply save it, you'll be able to see that categories and meta have been added under the featured properties. Let's refresh. As you can see, we have post categories and meta my account. So this way you'll be able to add multiple widgets on the right hand side and you'll be able to change the title. If you don't want to show it, simply click on delete. So this way you'll be able to manage your widgets part. Now let's work on the description part of the post. Click on edit post to start with the editing. You can always schedule your post from here. If you want to schedule it, click on the front date and save it. Now the post will be scheduled for the future date. Then we have visibility for public, private or password protected. You can change the visibility from here. Then we have format, image, standard, video or gallery. You can also make this post as a sticky post. You can change author from here. Authors are different users that you can edit from the users tab. If you want to remove this post, click on move to trash. The featured image which is shown on the top, you can change from here. Then this is the whole description part from here. This is the title of the post, which is the image format post, and this is the whole description part. You can edit from here. If you want to add more options, go down and simply type / to add images, heading, gallery, list, quote, audio and more. So this way you'll be able to add multiple quotes. If you want to add images, simply add /, click on image and click on upload image. Then you can find images from your pictures, add it, and image will be shown over here. So this way you'll be able to add images, audios, text and much more. If you want to change the heading, click on it and you'll be able to change the heading size. If you want to convert this text into heading, you'll be able to do it as well. Simply change it to heading. This way, you'll be able to edit the blog post with the Gutenberg editor. If you don't want to use this standard editor, you can also edit with Elementor. If you know how to edit your home page, about us page, you will be able to easily edit this with Elementor as well. The description part. This description part can be edited with the Elementor. Right click on it to delete it. Now you can use Elementor to style it. For example, you can use heading. You can add images from the Elementor. You can add multiple columns. You can add buttons. You can add video. You can also import templates. So this way you'll be able to use Elementor to edit your blog description as well. Once all is done, make sure to update it.